Hello everyone, welcome to On Fish TV. Today, I'm going to show you a great way to fix your jigging wraps. This is a wonderful lure, but very expensive. And there's one flaw to these lures, and that's this tail breaks off. Instead of just throwing them in the garbage, I'm going to show you a few ways here that you can fix them up and make them work again. Alright, the next way that you can do it, and I've already done this one, but you can just make a silicone fins. And this is a really good way. Nobody's gonna step on this and break these anymore, so it lasts, quite a while. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Caught my first tiger muskie, and he is 39.5 inches. He's getting ready. There he goes. Yes! This is what I caught it on. Okay, for this way, you're gonna want a piece of cardboard, some tape, scissors, your silicone, the most important part, some paper, parchment paper, so that you don't make a mess. All right, we're gonna be working with red. Put some of that. This is silicone. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of red food coloring on it. Get that mixed up. Now what I'm gonna do, take a piece of cardboard, take some of this parchment paper, and bend my cardboard. This is very important right here. I'm going to cut right down the ridge. Okay. So I'm going to take my cardboard that's folded in half and my parchment paper, and this is where the tape comes in. I'm going to tape this parchment paper to the cardboard. On both sides. Then I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to cut up the parchment paper. And then I'm going to measure how far that I want this in there. I'm going to make a small slit in the tape. You want that slit right where the ridge of your parchment paper cardboard is. Now I'm going to place this hook, my tape with a slit, so that when I'm done I can just pull this out and it's going to rip right through the tape, and it's not going to mess up my silicone. Okay, a little bit of cooking spray. I'm going to spray onto your paper. That is quite a bit. But then you place your hook up into that slit area. Now for the next step. So I got this placed where I want with a little bit of oil on there. Now I'm going to take my silicone. I'm going to lay this on there. It's alright to get too much on there because you're going to end up smoothing it out and cutting it down at the end. Get some saliva on your finger, and you're going to work this down to achieve your thickness that you want. The thickness that I'm going for is about the same thickness as when you purchased the jigging wrap. Okay. I'm going to put this up here where it can dry. Smooth out any imperfections that you can see. Try to make the thickness on both sides the same and let dry. And then here's one that's already been done. Once this one dries, I'll take my scissors and cut the shape that I want out of it, out of the fins. Take off any excess that you don't like on there. There you go. This one's nice because you can step on it and it'll always come back to where it was. Alright, well, there's ways that you can fix them up rather quick. Get yourself back fishing. Don't throw away $6 lures. There's ways that you can fix them and, you know, get them back to working. So, hope you guys enjoyed these tips. There we go. There's the fish. Oh, crappie! Got me a crappie! Alright. This is my first crappie out of this lake. Very excited about this fish as well. Nice crappie. See you, bud.